Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So 6 weeks in braids guys, and today is finally wash day. My hair has been tucked away for so long and it's ready for some love and care. I always look forward to this day guys, not just to clean my hair but to reconnect with it, to take care of it naturally. So today I'm using my homemade aloe vera soap, the one I made right here on my channel. It's simple, natural, and so nourishing. It's made with soap flakes, neem leaves, aloe vera, castor oil, and fenugreek seeds, and each ingredient has a purpose. Aloe vera soothes the scalp and keeps the hair soft. It promotes hair growth and balances the scalp pH. It also strengthens the hair as well. Neem leaves help prevent dandruff, strengthen hair, and calm an itchy scalp. Fenugreek seeds prevent hair fall, promote hair growth, fight dandruff, and itchy scalp. I love this soap because I know exactly what it contains. No hidden chemicals, no harsh ingredients, just natural goodness for my hair. Now let's get into the fun part, washing. I take my aloe vera soap and work it into a rich lather. I gently massage it into my scalp, making sure every strand gets a little love. You can feel the herbs at work, calming the scalp and nourishing the roots. The texture is creamy and soothing. This is my little spa moment right at home. No chemicals, just nature caring for my hair. Why homemade products are important? Making your own products is more than fun. It's empowering. When you make your own soap, oils, or hair masks, you are in control of what touches your scalp and hair. Many store-bought products have ingredients that can damage your hair over time or cause scalp irritation. With homemade products, you know it's safe, natural, and made for your hair's specific needs. Another amazing thing about doing your own hair is control. When you braid, wash, or style it yourself, you know exactly how gentle you are being. You understand your hair type, your scalp, and what your hair truly needs. This helps prevent breakage, dryness, or damage, and it keeps your hair growing strong and healthy. I also love incorporating herbs into my routine. Herbs like neem and aloe vera are amazing for hair. They naturally strengthen the hair, they help reduce dryness and itchiness, they slowly darken hair naturally over time, giving it a healthy, rich tone. Using herbs is like giving your hair a little gift from nature every time you wash it. My hair feels so soft guys. This shampoo bar is a 2-in-1. It cleanses and conditions at the same time. After washing, I do not use any conditioner. I just seal in the moisture with my homemade castor oil. I'm now applying my shampoo for the second time guys, and I love how my hair and scalp are feeling. This shampoo bar does not strip my hair and I'm loving it. After rinsing thoroughly, I keep things simple. I apply a little castor oil to my scalp and hair to lock in moisture, and then I put my hair back into braids. That's it. No complicated routines, no heavy products, just pure simple care. My hair feels soft, healthy, and strong, and it's ready for the next few weeks until wash day comes again. Washing my hair like this reminds me how rewarding it is to care for ourselves naturally. Homemade products, simple routines, and the power of herbs make such a difference in hair health. When you take care of your hair, you are not just washing it, you are nourishing it, protecting it, and showing it love. If I want to condition my hair, I use aloe vera gel, but today I'm going to just seal in moisture using castor oil. Castor oil promotes hair growth. It stimulates blood circulation to the scalp, helping dormant hair follicles to come back to life. This makes it an excellent solution for thinning hair and receding hairlines or slow hair growth. Castor oil is also a natural moisturizer. Its consistency locks in hydration, making dry, brittle hair or frizzy hair softer and shinier. Regular use of castor oil also helps to prevent split ends and breakage, allowing your hair to grow longer and thicker without consistent trimming. For people struggling with dandruff or itchy scalp, castor oil's antibacterial and antifungal properties bring soothing relief. It cleanses the scalp, balances natural oils, and creates a healthier environment for your hair to flourish. Unlike chemical products that give quick but temporary results, castor oil works deeply and naturally. Whether you want long, fuller, shorter or healthier hair, castor oil is simple, affordable and effective solution that truly delivers results. After applying castor oil to my hair and scalp, I will put my hair into 4 large twists and I will keep the twist for a week. And after a week, my hair will be stretched enough to put it into mini braids, which I will keep for 4 weeks or more. That is all I have for you today, guys. If you want to try this for yourself, check out my video on how I made aloe vera soap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more natural hair care tips and DIY routines. Remember, healthy hair starts with love, care, and a little help from nature. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.